Izanov calibration instructions. 1. Software preparation. The software will run automatically upon startup. Be sure to read the statement carefully. Click You have read the above statement. Applied and continued. Click Tourist Mode to machine calibration. Before performing mechanical calibration, drive the excavator to an open, flat area. Click Settings. Click Mechanical. Click Mechanical Calibration to access the Connection Settings interface. 2.1 Connection Settings. First, select the sensor mounting side. In the video, the sensors are mounted on the left, but they can also be mounted on the right side of the machine if necessary. Check and select the stick sensor SN. Select the outside of the dog bone. Check and select the bucket sensor SN. Click Next to proceed to the antenna position check interface. 2.2 Antenna position check. Follow the animation instructions. Rotate the excavator body 90 degrees to the left or right. If the software confirms a successful verification, click Next to enter the mechanical dimension measurement interface. If the inspection fails, swap the antenna cable connectors according to the software prompts and try again. 2.3 Mechanical dimension measurement. Use a tape measuring or rectangular ruler to measure OM, OP, N1, N2, PD, OM dimensional measurement. Measure the horizontal distance, OM, from the intersection point between the main antenna center line and the bracket's bottom center line to the pin between the boom and stick. Record measurements in meters with an accuracy of 1 millimeter. OP dimensional measurement. Measure the vertical distance, OP, from the center line marker at the main antenna bracket's bottom surface to the pin between the boom and stick. Ensure the measurement is recorded in meters with an accuracy of 1 millimeter. N1 dimensional measurement. Measure the width of the boom at the main antenna bracket location. If the booming edge protrudes, subtract the width of the protrusions on both sides from the total width. N2 dimensional measurement. Repeat this process for the boom at auxiliary antenna bracket location. Enter the N1 and N2 measurements accordingly. PD dimensional measurement. Measure the distance PD from the pin connecting the boom and stick to the bucket pin. Record the measurements in meters with an accuracy of 1 millimeter. Click Next to proceed to the Mechanical Model Calibration interface. 2.4 Mechanical Model Calibration. Main Antenna Calibration. Place a level at the bottom of the main antenna bracket. Lift the excavator boom arm until the level bubble is centered. Click Calibration, Start Calibration, and wait for completion. Stick Sensor Calibration. Place a plumbing bob line at the pin connecting the boom and stick. Adjust the excavator stick until the pin connected, the boom and stick, is vertically aligned with the bucket pin. Click Calibration, Start Calibration, and wait for completion. Bucket Sensor Calibration. Align the level to the pins at both ends of the dog bone. Adjust the excavator bucket until the level bubble is centered. Click Calibration, Start Calibration, and wait for completion. Click Next to proceed to Mechanical Dimensioning. 2.5 Connecting rod size measurement. Adjust the excavator so that the stick is roughly perpendicular to the bucket and keep the machine stationary. Measure a B, BC, BD, AD. Enter a B, BC, BD, AD. Click Next to proceed to the Bucket Configuration interface. 2.6 Bucket Configuration. Click New Bucket to access the New Bucket interface. Enter a bucket name. Measuring bucket dimensions. Measure the CD length. Measure the bucket width W1. Measure the vertical distance S1 from the bucket pin to the bucket blade or tooth. Enter CD, W1, S1. Correction value calibration. Place a plumbing bob line on the center of the bucket pin. Adjust the bucket open. Close until the center of the bucket pin and the bucket blades are vertically aligned. Click Calibrate the correction value. Bottom calibration. Place a level at the bottom of the bucket. Adjust it until the bubble is centered. Click Bottom calibration. Click Save to save all bucket parameters. Click Apply to apply the current bucket model. Click Confirm. Click Finish once the application is successful. At this stage, the EaseNav calibration is completed. 3. System Accuracy Check. After calibration, a system accuracy check is required. Select a fixed point or a marker on the ground and place the left tip of the bucket at that point. Click Construction on the main interface. Click Plane. Wait for the measurement to complete and click Start. Adjust the excavator and position the left tip of the bucket at the fixed point using different postures. Check the cut-to-fill value in the main interface. If the error is within plus or minus 3 centimeters, the system is successfully calibrated.